Hi. Hi, everyone. Hi. Hello. How is everyone doing? Hi. Hi, Krupa. Hi, everyone. I am Prableen Kaur Bhamra, and I am a beauty blogger and a YouTuber. And I create content for like makeup, skincare, and fashion. And I'm here to talk to you. Hi, thank you so much. I hope everyone's really safe at home during this pandemic. I hope everyone's really safe. And I want to wish all of y'all a very happy World Lipstick Day. So we're going to be joined by Elton Fernandez, which, if you don't know, he's like the best celebrity makeup artist out there. I'm so honored and I'm so happy that he's going to be joining us. Y'all can follow me on my Instagram. My username is PKB, growing and glowing. So do check me out. So we're going to be doing this live session with Maybelline New York and Lifestyle Stores. Lifestyle has like great offers going on, so y'all can check out their website. And I'm just waiting for Elton so we can go live. Okay, he's joining in, I think. I'm super excited.
Namaste, Ji.
Namaste. Hi.
Hi, Praveen. Nice to meet
Hi.
you virtually.
Same here. It's like
I
a
like
pleasure
thank
to
you for
like
taking.
talk
I
to
know
you.
you couldn't time today to iron out your hair. I can tell.
Yeah, I have.
So nice. Thanks for the
Your hair
effort.
looks like so done, all well prepped up.
And I wear extensions.
Oh, but you look so like glammed
I'm a
up. I like your
yeah.
nails.
I'm a thanks. I'm a 38-year-old cheating and acting like a 25-year-old.
You don't even look like a 30-year-old guy.
The hair extensions.
I'm so
What's up?
excited to do this with you. Like, can you hear me
Sure.
properly?
Yes, I can.
Great.
Okay. So happy lipstick week. I think it's the lipstick week.
Yeah,
To
it's so
everybody,
exciting.
throw on your lipsticks. I've got my lipstick on. I'll tell you later
I've
what it
got
is.
my lipsticks, like
Right. So
everything's
what we're
sorted
gonna
right
do
here.
today, on Lifestyle Stores with Maybelline New York is show you how to do two quick looks. So for example,
Right.
if you because a lot of people will say, why is it important to dress up in a time like this? You know, you feel because it's mood lifting. It's like for me,
Exactly.
my makeup is like it's like my armor when I step out.
Yeah,
It
it
just
gives you
every
so much
time you pass
confidence.
yeah, and we work in studios and every time you pass a mirror, you want to feel like, okay, I'm okay.
I'm looking
I don't
nice.
look like weight of the shoulder, all the ghar ka kaam is on my shoulders kind of thing.
Yeah.
So celebrate your makeup, celebrate your lipstick, and I think we're just finding reasons to bring joy into our life, and a lot of that
Correct.
joy comes from how we see ourselves.
Yeah.
So I feel like we should fall in love with ourselves with
Yes.
cosmetics that we like to, just to play with
Yeah.
imagination, right? So
Yeah, and
we'll
I'm
start.
really happy with this range, especially the Superstay matte range because it's like so
Yeah,
long
we'll
lasting.
talk about it as we go. Yeah. So we'll
Yeah.
start with first like a simple thing to just step out, do your thing, maybe go buy groceries. I don't know, look pretty. You know what I mean?
Yeah, just
Uh,
look pretty.
okay.
I,
I mean, not pretty is not a nice word. I like beautiful or wholesome or whatever. But
yeah,
that.
and I'm more of like
Um,
the no makeup kind of a person. So like,
oh, I took your Instagram. I've seen a
yeah.
lot of makeup.
Oh, I'm happy you did.
I did see a lot of makeup, and I'm going to give you one tip that I think might work, and we'll see if you like it too for your face.
Sure, that'll be like
Okay.
great.
So what we're gonna do, the second look, we'll do something a little more dressed up, a
Yeah,
little glamorous perhaps, but still simple and doable for everyone
yeah.
that's watching. Okay? Hi everyone that's watching. Okay, so we're gonna
Hi.
start with our Fit Me foundation.
Okay, I have it
What
right
shade are
here.
you using?
I am in the shade 128 warm.
Okay,
Yeah,
right. I use
128. Correct.
335 classic tan 335 for my
Okay,
color.
warm nude. That's my
Great.
shade.
Okay, so we'll put that on. You've already put it on, I think, a little bit.
No, I haven't. There's no makeup on my face.
Oh, your skin's gotten so much better.
Yeah, you saw my
Then,
picture.
yeah.
You've seen my picture.
Okay, cool. Let's put it on then.
Yeah, I'll just put like a little bit of this.
Yeah, not a full face. We don't want to overwhelm the shoppers, but we can put a
Yeah.
little bit of foundation on the
So
inside of
you're
the
like
face.
a beauty blender kind of a person, or
No,
like a brush person?
I'm a finger or a brush person.
Oh,
I love
okay.
hand, but because my I recently grew out my nails, so they're really
So
nice and long.
difficult.
And so, but I
Same.
can't use my fingers anymore. I can't type properly,
Yeah, no, it
but
gets really
I can
difficult.
wear nails.
So like I try to go very less on my forehead because I think I crease a lot there.
Oh, yeah.
So you've already done your makeup, I think.
Yes.
It's all glammed up.
Yes.
So you can answer a few questions if they're asking anything, or we'll like answer everything by the
I
end of the
will.
video.
I will. I will. No, no. You enjoy your blending. Everyone saying hello. Akash Bakshi asks me, "Are you a boy or a girl?" I'm actually not. I'll answer that question because it's important. Uh, I know that a lot of us grow up thinking that there's just two genders, that
Yeah.
there's only male and female, but there's not. There's many more genders. So you should look it up on YouTube. It'll be really educative. But I am a gay, non-binary man. So some days I feel more like I feel my feminine side. Some days I feel my masculine side. But my pronouns are he and him. So I do see myself as primarily male,
Okay.
but exclusively male.
I have friends that like to be called as a she. So yeah, like
Sure. Of course, they're free to use their own pronouns.
yeah, correct.
Somebody's sending you love, so I'm thanking you all on behalf of. Okay, so foundation's done. That was quick.
Yeah,
Nice.
yeah,
Great on
just a
you.
little bit.
Great. Okay. Someone likes my tattoo. Thank you very much. Okay, then we're gonna go with some. What do you have? Let's see.
I have an eyeliner.
Okay, eyeliner. What do you have? I like tattoo line tattoo.
Same. I have the
Great.
Alice and Olivia one. I think it's very pigmented. It was like this new collection that it came out some time ago.
Okay.
So
Okay.
it has this like very fine
Oh, that's
tip
not a
to it.
Maybelline.
It's a Maybelline one. Maybelline Alice and Olivia collection.
I can't believe I've never seen it.
Yeah.
Guys, if you're
This is
watching,
like the
please send
first.
me. I want.
Yeah. And I really like it. It's very
Okay,
like
great. So I love line
precise.
tattoo. Line tattoo is you do your liner, Vipal. Just tell
Okay.
them about the liner.
Okay.
So that one's obviously a limited edition that she's using. So this is available. You can buy it on the lifestyle stores. Line tattoo. It's what I've got on. What I love about it is that it's waterproof. It's smudge proof. And it's really jet black. That's what I like about it.
Yeah. This is also like very, and it's very precise. So you can like,
It-
line it up really well.
That's the word. Yeah, it's for precision. So, I like to just go over it once. Usually I powder my face at the end and then it a little gets on my liner. So now I like to do the liner once before I step out. So it just looks stark.
Yeah.
Wow, look at your eyes. Such a beautiful face.
Thank you. So I'm done with the eyeliner. I think it just makes everything
make
so
both-
much better.
Okay, so I
Yeah,
would just, I like it. It looks nice. There's nothing to
Yeah.
critique. But I would just ask you not to go all the way down. See this, my skin,
This
where the
line?
eye is here. I've stopped the
Okay.
liner a little before that, like a fraction, like a centimeter before, and then pull it
Okay.
up. So then it really pulls
Okay.
the face up and follows
Face
the
upwards a little bit.
Because this will
Okay.
essentially, like eyebrows, you see, if you pull everything down, it can bring the mood down. See, it's mood.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
the minute you pull it up, it takes the mood
It
up.
kind of like puts everything
So,
together.
The
Yeah.
liner is very important to pull the face up.
Okay. So I'll do
Okay.
that next time for sure.
Yeah, but it's great. Okay, what about, so we're going to the groceries. All we need is a little bit of foundation or concealer perhaps, liner
Yeah.
and lipstick.
A lipstick.
about
Which
that?
one do you have?
I have everything.
I have this one. This is
I have that too.
the
I have
Superstay
that.
crayon.
Incredible. I love that it just
Okay.
lasts for hours in a day.
Yeah, exactly.
Right?
Plus, it's like so easy to apply. I really
Yeah,
like
and it
it.
goes on like a lipstick, but it's long wearing.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So
And in fact, guys, you won't believe it, but I know it's a crayon. It feels like if you take chalk, like a crayon, and
yeah,
you don't even feel it on your lips too much. It's like
it's
lipstick, but it stays and it doesn't transfer after a while. It takes obviously a few seconds to set and dry, but you wear your mask and it's not even going to transfer.
Yeah, and it's so buttery.
It's
And it still
buttery.
doesn't transfer. It's really nice.
Yeah. Goes on like butter and sets like cheese. That's just my line. It's not some brand line. Okay. Hi, Teja Edullah. Thank you. Sandhya Sandy says, are you a makeup artist? Yes, I'm a makeup artist. I've been working for about 20 years now. Thank you, Tejasvi. Ooh, my ex-boyfriend's here. Well, take a look.
Take a look. All glammed up.
Okay, so you've got the lipstick on. You don't go into the
Yeah.
corners with your lipstick?
No, I think like I sort of overline it a little bit, but like that's it. Like I like to
Okay.
dab it a little bit, but that's pretty much it.
Great. Okay, that's well. We're mask ready. You should
Yeah.
put on your mask. I forgot my mask. I don't even know where it is. I'm just going to put this tissue. See?
Yeah. Okay. Oh, it's
Zero transfer.
Zero transfer. Cool.
So that's as simple as it is, right?
Yeah, it is. True.
Happy Lipstick Day. Celebrate every day like this with a simple lipstick that's affordable.
Yeah. And you can just
don't
go
have to
out
keep
like this.
touching up.
It's so nice.
Yes, in our climate, you don't want to keep touching up makeup.
Yeah, it's so humid.
Let's do the second look. Let's graduate.
Let's. So I'll just
Like
move
Ariana Grande. Ariana Grande said, no? Put your hand in mine and let me show you how to graduate.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got a little bit of concealer perhaps.
Yeah.
Do you use Fit Me or you use Instant Age Rewind?
I love Instant Age Rewind. I love the concealer. It works like an eraser. Like it literally just it does the job.
Yeah.
It's my
Like if you see how much I've used, this is like maybe
same.
in 2 months I finished so much.
You have competition. Look at this. Completely
Right.
gone. I
Love
really
it.
like it.
Okay, so we'll put on some concealer.
Which shade are you in?
I'm caramel. I don't know the number.
So I mix like honey and sand together. I like both the shades. So I mix both of those
Breakfast,
together.
honey and sand.
Honey and sand. So I'll just do a little bit on my under eyes.
Yeah, sure. Oh, be careful. When you put sand on your under eyes, you might break the skin.
Mm.
I've got caramel. Okay, I'm also going to put a little more touch up.
You don't even need, you look like perfect, like all done.
And now see, I have all these, I have a professional ring light here, so I know how to cheat.
Ah.
Okay, so. See, that's another tip I'll say. One, you're using a very big brush, which is unnecessary for an under eye area because that's a whole face area. So I use a thin brush, and you also you hold the brush here at the ferrule. You should actually. That means you're putting a lot more pressure. When you hold the brush far and you just use the muscle finger control like this, you see, it will blend better by keeping product and not moving it too much.
Okay, yeah.
So that point of contact is very important for application. And you know, cisgender men, heterosexual men, can they wear makeup? Of course, there's no difference. All makeup is a mood lifter and accessing a bit of your imagination.
As long as you feel beautiful.
Feel confident.
Yeah.
That's the Maybelline girl.
Yeah.
Great. Okay. Then you have kajal? No, you don't have kajal, right?
No, I don't have kajal. I'm actually not a kajal person at all. I don't like
That's fine.
in general.
Mascara?
I have the Alice and Olivia again. You haven't seen the reel at all.
You don't show off to me. I'm the spokesperson and I don't have it, but I'm sure they'll send it to me. Okay, so my mascara I've put only on the ends. I've not gone in the center. I've not gone. Usually I put it everywhere, but I like Colossal. It's waterproof and all of that.
Yeah.
But it's also very strong. And I personally, for my eyes, don't like the weight to. It starts to look maybe far too feminine on most days.
Okay.
So this kind of a heavy mascara, I just put it on the ends and just reinforce that liner.
It just literally makes
just little tweaks can make the look pay off, you know.
Yeah. And I already have like very voluminous eyelashes in general.
And beautiful eyes, yeah, really beautiful eyes, yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, impressive, nice. I think you're more videogenic than photogenic.
Yeah, you think so?
Yeah.
That's like one unique compliment I've ever like received.
Yeah, I mean, you should have a TV or a
I
digital,
am
like
a
a,
YouTuber.
exactly. So I'm saying, like, imagine doing that on TV.
That'll be fun.
Yeah. Okay. But you have to put it out there in the universe. I want you to
Yes, you
verbalize.
have to.
I want to do. I would love to have my, then it'll happen.
Yeah. Okay, so I'll put in a little bit of blush, I think.
So, what do you have? Fit me?
Yeah, I have the Fit Me in the shade Rose.
Oh my God,
I
I don't
love
have
this
that.
blush. It's really pretty.
You have some insider contact in Maybelline, na?
Yeah, I know. So you start to put your blush like from here, or you just take it on the end?
So
Like,
on your,
how
show
do
me
you
your
like?
profile. Show me your profile. Okay, smile, smile. Yeah, so I just wouldn't go low on your face. I'd
Just
start on
here?
the apple. Yeah, my
Okay.
first point of contact, soft, hold the brush far. That's the crucial part. As
Okay.
far as, if it's a
And
small
I'll just
application,
start dabbing it here.
and hold the brush this way, not
Okay,
this
like
way.
this. Okay.
And now smile and go up. So you're pulling up. Start on the apple, not on the side. There we go. And sometimes flick it towards the inner eye also,
Okay.
into the nose a little bit. Flick it into the nose. It'll add a bit of romance, like you're out in the cold and, you know.
Yeah. It
Now
has a
what's left
sheen
on
which
the
I
what's
really
left
like.
on the brush, just what's left on the brush. So I have my blusher here. What's left when I do this, pull it up, then I take what's left on the brush and I just put it on the tip and blend a little bit to the side. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Look at it. Look at that. Step back
Yeah, it
and
looks
see how beautiful that looks.
so pretty.
Right?
It
Yeah.
has this
Like,
sheen. I really
I
like
have a
it.
cold, I've got a sniffle.
It's pretty.
Okay, good. Nitin Pargi is using abusive language. Let's
Block
report
him.
him. Report. Block. Okay. Hi, Rihanna from our city shopper stop. I've been to our city. It's a nice space.
I'm missing malls so much. Like,
Okay. I don't, yeah.
you
I buy
don't?
online. No.
No,
You
yeah,
know
I
what?
don't like online
Where
shopping.
I put one more application of blusher, smile, and just here. But use
Okay.
the brush like so. Don't
Okay.
pick the bristles upward. Let them face more. Yeah, smile. Go closer to the nose. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, there. Look at that. That's lovely. Yeah, nice, sweet. Okay.
Nice.
Yeah, it looks like blood is rushed to your face when you're excited and
Yeah.
happy. All right. So then we've got, you've got some loose powder to set that.
I do have.
So
So I
I
have
use
Fit Me.
Medium Deep number 30. It's like a
Okay,
loose
I
powder.
have light 15.
Okay. So here you can take your big brush. So you only need one stroke.
So I have like a bigger
I always, so even the brush, I'll give you my technique. If you like it, you can use it in future. I take a big brush, hold it far away. When I pick it, I only pack it here, pick it, pack it here, and the rest I put one or two strokes back and forth.
Okay, so just pat it here
Pack
and
it
then
there,
just
and then that's it. Sweeping strokes all across the face, like you're painting a canvas. Right?
okay.
So you're doing dab, little slow motions. You want to do bigger, long motions. Just sweep the brush across the skin. Yeah, there we go. That's it. That's it. You also want to sweep all the facial hair downwards. So that's why your motion at the end with powder should be
Yeah.
sweeping motions towards the jaw. Great.
I love the Fit Me powder. I mean,
I love
it
Fit Me
blurs
powder.
out everything.
Yeah. Okay, and then we'll end with another lipstick since it's lipstick week. Happy lipstick week,
Happy
everywhere.
lipstick week to everyone.
Okay, this is
So I
Superstay
have
Matte
this
Ink. Right.
Yeah.
Now the thing is it's a formula difference. Some people like to use lipsticks, some people like to use balms, some people like to use stains. But when we talk about long wearing lipsticks, stuff that has to stay on or not transfer and not rub off when you drink water or whatever, then I like my Superstay, especially because they last for really like a whole
Really
day.
long time.
You don't need to touch it up. So matte ink goes on like a nice little velvety liquid texture, and it sets completely dry,
Yeah.
and it's kiss
So
proof.
I have the shade Ruler.
Oh, I love Ruler.
Yeah, it's a very pretty
Nice.
shade.
Pinky fleshy brown,
Yeah.
reddy, like brick red brown. Ah, I see what you like to do.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. You wear it well, though. It looks very, very bright on your camera, on my camera rather. My ruler, or maybe it's my tone against my skin. It sets
Yeah.
to a little. It has a brown appeal.
Yeah. But it's just
Quick
it's such a pretty
application.
color.
Yes. Yeah, I think if you're on a Zoom call nowadays, everybody's birthday is on a Zoom private call. So
Yeah.
on a Zoom call, it's just beautiful to just be like
Just one.
celebratory. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to celebrate our lipstick week like this, guys. If you
Yeah.
like any of these products, then they are available on Lifestyle Stores, so check it out. And thank you, Lifestyle Stores and Maybelline, for giving us the opportunity to share this with all of you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
And
And thank you for sharing your pro tips with me. So I'll do that next time whenever I'm doing makeup.
I know you. I don't think you have this because when
No,
I
I
asked
don't.
them if you had this and they said no. But I like my lasting fix. I'll show you what it does to the texture. Okay, so this is a powdered face, and
Yeah.
you know, it just makes it a
Oh,
little more skin-like, and
glowy.
it's yeah. This again
Okay.
helps that reinforce that long-wearing
So it
nature of
has this
makeup.
natural finish, or it has like this mattifying finish.
It's mattifying, but it doesn't mattifying in the sense it just makes it. It doesn't make it look dry like a wall or a canvas.
Okay.
You know, but it sets the makeup in a sense that it doesn't. You won't get sweaty.
Okay.
It sets the
Nice.
makeup. Yeah. Anyway.
I'm really happy the way it turned out.
Yeah. So thank you, everyone. Is there
And
anything
even this
you would
lipstick
like to?
actually is like transfer proof, so it won't transfer at all.
It won't
It
transfer.
stays
at all.
on for like 16 hours actually.
Yeah. The one tip I wanted to give you
Okay.
is I don't have a product with me here right now. I didn't unpack it. If you have a little bit of like a contour shade or a soft fleshy brown warm eyeshadow or
Okay.
even a little bit of a deep colored blush, just take a little small brush and just on the, not here, not here.
Just in the middle?
See how this area of my see how this is darker here
Okay.
in my inner
Yeah.
crease.
Yeah.
So you take that product and you just start small and just move it towards like round. There, that's just
Okay.
it will put the face
I
together.
have this palette. You want me to like try a little bit?
Which one do you have?
I
Oh.
have this palette.
Oh,
This is a
lovely,
Maybelline
city
as well.
palette. Yeah, so
Yeah.
use that darker color, that
This
deeper.
one?
Yes.
Okay.
I know it's not something that you'd normally pick for an inner corner,
Yeah.
but
Plus it
take
has
a
little
nice
sheen
fluffy
to
round
it.
brush, hold it really far. That's important. Yeah.
Okay.
And then just
And
push it in there towards the inner corner of the eyebrow and round. No, closer to the eyebrow. Yeah, there. Even more. Yeah, there.
okay.
And blend that into the crease. That's it. Just let's look at it.
Oh.
Right now, yeah. Now I would take. You've stopped here. Go into the eyebrow. Blend it into the eyebrow.
Okay.
That inside.
Okay.
Even more. Yeah, there. Blend that in. That's it.
Oh, it adds a little depth.
Yeah. So see, just step back and look at that from a distance. Yeah. See, it just pushes
Yeah.
that a little bit. So it tucks the face in.
Yeah. I'll do it on the other eye as well.
Sure. Hi, Afreen Sheikh from Vicroli Lifestyle. How sweet that you all are watching. That's really nice. Teja is asking me what's the shade of my foundation in MAC. I don't know. I'm sorry. I haven't used a MAC foundation over 10 years. I just haven't needed it. I'm so happy with what I'm using. Yeah, and if anybody sends me makeup, I'm very happy to take it. I guess you know what I mean. So then
Yeah.
Okay, great. So that's it. No other any other questions, guys, before we say goodbye?
Say goodbye. Thanks,
Ravleen
Aksha.
says she's going to try the wing liner technique and tag me. Yes, please tag us all.
Done.
Thank you, Sindhu. Thank you, everyone, for coming in.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, we're going to sign on and save the video. Cool?
Yeah.
All right.
Bye. I'm so
Thank you so
happy.
much.
Thank
Nice
for
meeting you. We'll keep in
joining.
touch. Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Bye.
Bye.